Minerals. Minerals are underground natural resources. Some are simple substances and some are complex ones. Rocks are formed of minerals. Gypsum and mica are some common non-metallic minerals. Gold, silver and copper are some metallic minerals. Uses of rocks and minerals. We get metals from rocks. Different metals are extracted or mined from minerals. A mineral from which metal can be extracted is called an ore. We get iron, aluminium, copper and zinc from hematite, bauxite, copper pyrites and calamine ores. These metals are commonly used for making utensils, machines, furniture, wires, etc. Precious metals like gold and silver are used for making jewelry. We get fuels from rocks and minerals. Coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG, CNG, etc. are fuels that we use in our daily life. Coal. It is a valuable natural resource. It is a sedimentary rock formed from the remains of plants buried millions of years ago. Due to high temperature and pressure inside the earth, these remains of plants turned into coal. It is widely used for cooking, producing electricity, making plastic, nylon and fertilizers. Petroleum. It is a dark-colored, thick crude oil. It is also called black gold. Petroleum was formed when small plants and animals got buried under the sea millions of years ago. Due to high pressure and temperature, their dead bodies were converted slowly into petroleum. We get LPG, CNG, petrol, diesel and kerosene from petroleum. Uranium. It is a mineral that is used for producing tremendous amounts of energy. This energy is called nuclear energy. Atomic power plants use uranium to produce nuclear energy. We get gemstones from rocks. Many minerals are very hard and found in the form of crystals. They are cut and polished into beautiful stones called gemstones. Diamonds, rubies, emeralds and sapphires are some gemstones used in making jewelry. Soil. Soil is found in the uppermost layer of the earth. It is one of the most valuable natural resources. Plants grow in the soil. These plants produce food and help to maintain oxygen level in the air. Soil is the layer of sand, organic matter and minerals on the surface of the earth with some amount of water and air. Formation of soil. Soil is formed when rocks break down into tiny pieces due to the repeated heating and cooling by the sun, rains and winds. This is called weathering. When it rains, water gets into the cracks in rocks and remains there. In cold weather, it freezes, exerts pressure and breaks the rocks. This repeated weathering over thousands of years breaks the rocks into small pieces of sand. This results in the formation of soil. It is a continuous process. Composition of soil. Pour some water in a glass and add a handful of soil to it and stir. Now, leave it undisturbed for some time. We observe layers of soil particles of different sizes in the glass. Soil is made up of gravel, sand, clay, moisture, water and humus. Soil also contains air, minerals, bacteria and fungi. Soil profile. Layers of soil is called soil profile. It has 3 layers. The uppermost layer of the soil is called topsoil. Almost all agricultural activities are done in this layer. It contains tiny particles of sand, clay, humus, moisture, water and air. Humus makes the soil fertile. Plants get essential nutrients from this layer, soil profile. The second layer is called subsoil. It has very little humus but contains water. Roots of trees generally reach this layer. Large bits of rock are present here. The third layer has large pieces of rocks and is called bedrock. It is quite deep inside the earth.